What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Soloherself, aka Solo Gumoto. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Anyways, like my video, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I drop. And as of right now, y'all see my lash cases. Y'all see the coloring and how it looks in the lights. I should have had my flash on while I was doing this video, but I didn't know to turn it on, so hey, it is what it is. But these are my custom luxury lash boxes. You're going to be able to shop soon. I'm thinking about adding them to my Amazon store and my personal website, so stay tuned for that. My lash brushes are not like everybody else's lash brushes. I like the thickness of the lash brush because it really helps. Currently, right now, I make my own lash cases. Well, I make my own label. I sell my own luxury lash boxes. And this is what I make my name to put on my lashes with. The Cricut Explorer Air 2. I got mine in a beautiful purple color. I love the color because it's a soft lavender vibes. As y'all can see, a little peek on the side was my custom items that I made. But if you look at the buttons have different functions that you could swirl around and you could do different things. Yeah. Why turn the camera upside down? Oh my God! By this point, y'all, I got a little more lighting, so I want to show y'all how my lash box hit in that good old light. You see how it changed colors or whatnot? Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so proud of myself with the vinyl that I picked for this project. And those are my public figure lashes you see at the bottom. I open a case so you can get the little look and feel. I feel like these is the best lash boxes in the world. And they're coming soon to you and you too. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out. I don't want you to miss out. It's not okay to miss out. Quick little zoom in for you. The Cricut Explorer Air 2. I like myself, and I use the same for this right here. So this, what is that? Okay. Explorer Air 2. Oh, and I made these too. I made these from the piece that people normally throw away. I like to always try to see what I can create. Everything, just like everything is content, everything can be used. And as you see, I made the perfect background. I could put anything right there and it'll look like it's a whole total background. And I used the vinyl button with this. Now, I am going to go through these other buttons with you guys. But in this video, I'm strictly talking about vinyl, okay? Take notes, sis. Bruh. Oh, y'all, take notes, because I'm going to be able to teach y'all something. If I don't do nothing else, I'm going to be able to teach y'all something. And you see that background. I can also create that background page for you as well. And I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to show y'all what I bought to do this. But in this video, I wanted to show y'all the finishing products before I show y'all what I'm doing, because I'm going to take y'all through the measures. You ready for this?